Hi everyone, so this video is going to be an unboxing of a brand new piece that I purchased from DIOR. I purchased this online maybe about 2 or 3 days ago, and I'm delighted to share it with you guys. We're gonna unbox it together. I'll give you my first impressions, an overall review, and I'll let you know of my thoughts as to why I purchased this piece. So let's get started. Can we also just take a moment to really appreciate the beautiful packaging that they included? You get this little metal gold-plated star, and it comes with this ribbon, and you also get your receipts in here. So here's what it looks like if you want to see, and says scan the QR code to unlock the filter. Fun. Interesting. Okay, so time to unbox. I'm very impressed with their packaging. When I opened this, I literally felt so excited. Maybe because it's the first one I've ever purchased, but definitely now it will not be my last. So let's take a peek. I love the tissue that they use. It has DIOR imprinted here faintly as well. And my piece comes with a dust bag. So if you guys can guess what I got the Lady DIOR 5 gusset card holder in the color sky blue, in the patent cannage. Get this little felt as well. Okay, so let's take a look. So here we have 5 card slots. Okay, so there's just some plastic cardstock in here. It says Christian Dior right here, and it's stamped into the calfskin. And then we have the Christian Dior tag. Okay, so that tells you the code. So I'm not going to take out all of the cards as of yet because I'm actually not going to use this yet, so I'll put these back in for now. But the reason why I purchased this is because over the past few weeks I've been doing a lot of thinking and assessing what I have in my collection. I recently actually got my car painted a very similar color to this, and I just thought that it would be such a nice gift to myself for Christmas and for the new year. Here I'm just admiring the stitching. And it's absolutely beautiful, you guys. Here's the bottom. This definitely feels like calfskin. This feels amazing right now, you guys. So here we have the charms. So I'm just gonna undo this. When I'm not using the piece, I will definitely keep this little pouch on, because I don't want the charms getting scratched up. Wow, I really can't wait to use this. It's absolutely beautiful. For size reference, I do have my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder in the epi leather. I'm just going to show you a comparison between the dimensions of the two. As you can see, very similar in width, if not exactly the same. The LV piece is definitely a little bit thinner, but once you put your keys in here, it becomes probably similar to the same width. I think this is going to be so convenient because I am a huge fan of mini bags. I love carrying mini bags on a regular basis, and I love things that are small and compact. By the way, the reason that I'm comparing the Lady Dior 5 gusset card holder to my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder is because I use this almost every single day. It definitely gets constant rotation in my collection, and it's so functional. Going back to the reason for this piece, I don't have anything of this color and I don't have anything in patent leather in my collection, so that combination to me made this piece quite unique. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my quick unboxing of my new Lady Dior 5 gusset card holder. Let me know if you have any questions about this piece. I may do an updated review video very soon, and I just need some time to use it first, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, take care.